out her butt. It's going, I got it. Oh, Duncan. Holy shit. Rosie! Come on, Duncan, we gotta get a side view. Holy shit, Rosie! Duncan, ho! Don't want to interrupt that rearing. Rosie, go! Just turn her in a circle so she feels like she's like. I'm glad we laugh it off. Shit. Get off of her, Emma. She's fucking rearing, and you're the only idiot in town who'd stay on her and keep petting her. Damn straight. What? Oh, that's nothing. Do you need a whip? Rosie, get away from my fucking horse. It's okay, Duncan. Good boy. Good boy, Duncan. It's okay. She's trying to bite you. She's trying to bite you. She can rear now. Good boy, Duncan. Well, this is good prep for horse shows for Mr. Duncan. Don't do that, Duncan.